Nakabayad na ba lahat? Lima pa lang. Dito na lang. Diyan, nakabayad ka lang dyan.
Kailangan natin ang wala pa po tayo.
Kadiyutro eh.
Kanang kasing nilong.
Ikaw mag-drive.
El Nedo po.
Sobrang kakapoy, ingon, magtungkit, wala kay. Narabas na baraha gito na.
Put down there.
Wala ka mo kapitan eh. Wala nagpangit. Asa konta. Kapoy, abi ka gabi. Yung gabi. Nakapatan daw sa Go. Nakatana namin sa driver. Asa na ka sa rapper ganyan. Okay lang mo talaga.
Chum-chum ka nito, chum-chum. Marami lata ba? Chum-chum.
Hala no? Kasi Guys, alam mo yung kayo sumata to lang ako sa kaya. Apil si Junjun. Guys, ikaw ni ko.
Lego na. Oh.
Dito to hey kami kuya. Apil sila. Yun na puno ganapan sila.
Okay, everybody, can I have your attention, please? Yes. Are you ready?
Yes!
One more time, ready?
Yes!
Let me check your health condition. How is your health condition, sir?
Okay lang.
Good? 100% good? Okay, raise your hand. Who's the good swimmer here? Raise your hand.
Wala pa umi.
Okay. If you're not a good swimmer, you just spare your life this, okay? And also, welcome here to Lido, Palawan, Philippines. And welcome to our company, Black Knight Steel. NBCA RN number 2. That's the name of our book, okay? Don't forget, okay? Because a lot of books now.
Mountain View College.
Okay, so all of you is going for Torsi, right?
Yes!
Torsi.
14.
Okay. Torsi, we compose of 5 places, 5 destinations. Every destination we stay at 40 to 45 minutes. Except our lunch, we stay at 1 hour. Okay? And here in Lido, we have our rules and regulations and guides to be followed, sir, ma'am. First one, do not throw garbage into the sea. We have a garbage on the boat. And during snorkeling time, please avoid stepping on the corals. Because sometimes we have a poisonous species stay on the corals. Like stonefish, sturgeon, and stingray. So be careful, okay? And also, collect anything from the beach as a souvenir is not allowed. Like stone, sand, corals, or shell. So it's not allowed. Also, here in Lido, we have a slogan. Leave nothing but footprints, take nothing but pictures, and bring nothing but food.
Memories!
Did you like it?
Yeah!
Okay. So you have the name of destination in your tour is Helicopter Island, Leading Beach, and Talisay Beach, and also the traveling and spot. Okay? The last stop is okay? So by the way, my name is Roy. I'm your tour guide.
Thank you, Roy.
And also, because you are because you ilan ko lahat? 20. Because you are a 20 person, I'm not the only guide. We have a partner, Jerek.
Jeffrey.
Hi, Rick!
The important, our captain, Captain Peggy, good morning.
Hi, guys.
And also, our marine engineer and certified lifeguard, JJ. Okay. And also, during snorkeling, please avoid, don't stand on the balancer of the boat. Left and right is not allowed to sit or stand. If you're tired, you can hold that balancer. Because the boat make a roll
Tamling.
and sink. So that's why.
Oh, they're
So thank you for listening, ma'am, sir. God bless us and enjoy your tour today.
Yay!
Happy birthday to you. Apil-apil na siya ang birthday. Apil ang Francie.
Kapilangan mo, friends.
Apil. At nasa-nasa gari. Iba na talaga. Paanay ka sa sorry.
One more.
Taas kag ilong ya.
Mabuhay.
Mabuhay! Imi!
Long pasaya ko na long.
One more.
Okay sa dito pasaya mi ana.
Oh.
Makalungkot sa balik.
Mabuhay. Mabuhay.
Salamat po.
Everyone, put your life jacket na
Hell no. Arang, mag-guard mo! Pwede ka picture. Yeah. If you can balance yourself, you can go there.
One by one, two by two, I think.
I want passport.
Okay, tingnan natin lang kanina. O, tara, sino yung... What's the first model? First model. Okay? Remove your life vest, remove your water shoes. Okay?
And remove your face.
Your panty. Tingin makatlo.
Remove panty and bra.
First model, I think your...
Go na lang.
Unsa man?
May 50% discount kalin nyo. 50%. Nasa ka ba? May discount na? Para 0%.
Tapos
Wala po kay init. Ano ning island yan eh?
Pero kung di ka kay balance lab, Helicopter Islands at Elmedo.
Kinanglan kay ba mo balance.
Ano galis?
Kung
Manervous Helicopter Island.
Dito. Tayo. Pero, dito 60 yan. Go. 60.
Kaya sir, kaya?
Kaya mukat.
Mukat pa. Oh, mau sir ako.
Oops! Ganahan ko. Success!
Sorry
Na may nagtuwad.
Ang palo! Tungkol sa kalo.
Sir, okay ka na, sir?
Ilis na mo buhay ko eh.
Naway, hindi ka paula. Uy!
Ano, kaya?
Kaya mukat!
Wala, pila ko full.
Apil niya, oh. Video raman na.
Tanggalin na po. Baka malunod kami dito sa baybay.
Be, ako imay di sabi. Karon magtanaw ba sa perm.